Thank you for tuning in. If you've tuned in with me for the first time, welcome, and if you are a returning viewer, welcome back. So guys, as the title suggests, I'll be making my own hair mask today. My hair has been very dry lately, so I need this mask. And to create this DIY mask, it's really simple. You'll be needing one large egg. You'll be needing coconut oil and honey. Okay, so you'll firstly take your egg, okay, egg, and you'll need a tablespoon so you'll be taking 1 spoon of coconut oil, and then also 1 tablespoon of honey. So you obviously need to mix this in quite well. Smells amazing, guys. Okay, so I've already washed my hair, guys. I've just put shampoo on. I did not put conditioner on because obviously I'm planning on doing this mask. And let's get started. Okay, so I have all the product on my hair, guys, and I will be leaving this on for an hour. I will be putting it up in a shower cap, and I'll be rinsing it off with one shampoo, and then I'll get back to you guys. Okay guys, so I had the mask on for just over an hour. I was just a bit busy. I've rinsed my hair as well. I've actually just pinned it up now because I added in a leave-in heat protector or serum, so that's just something you can add to your hair as well. I'll just show you guys. I haven't styled it yet, it's still getting dry, so I'll just go in with a flat iron to straighten it a bit, but it looks really good. I just gave it one shampoo after I had the mask on for almost about an hour and a half. So I didn't intend on leaving it in that long, but like I said, I got busy. So it's clean, it doesn't feel oily, it feels nice and clean as well. I'm not able to do my styling right now, so I'm just pinning it up while it's getting dry, and then I'll style it a bit later and I'll come back to show you guys the final result. Okay guys, so this is the final look or finished look. I've obviously done the treatment, I've styled my hair, and let me know in the comments below what you guys think, if the treatment has worked. I do feel that my hair is silky, it does look shiny as well. I think I could have rinsed a bit better on the top. It's not very oily, but I gave it one shampoo after I done the treatment, and I think I'm quite happy. So thank you so much for watching the video, guys. If you've not yet subscribed to my channel, please do so now. Also hit the bell notification so that you get notified when I do upload new content. Thank you once again, and I'll catch you on the next video.